Hi foodies, welcome to my channel. I'm your baby chef Moova. Today I'm going to show carrot halwa. Let's start the recipe. Take a pan, add some ghee. Now add chopped badams. Now we're gonna add some kaju. Now fry for a minute. Now slowly aroma comes from dry fruits. Now it's roast perfect. Take it into plate. Now add ghee. Now add 4 cups of grated carrots. Now fry the carrots for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, it will change its color. Now nice aroma comes from carrot. Now we're gonna add milk. Now stir for 5 to 6 minutes. Now close the lid and cook for 10 minutes. Now open the lid. Cook till milk comes dry. Now add some ilachi powder. Now we are going to add sugar. Now we are going to add dry fruits. Now everything mix it up. Now slowly sugar melts. Now cook for 10 minutes. Now slowly change its color. Now our sweet comes glossy. Now it's coming perfect texture. Gonna make a quick mix. If you require, add some ghee. Now our carrot halwa is ready. I hope everyone likes my video. Please give a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. Bye bye friends. See you in the next video. Have a good day.